You're standing in front of the mirror, dressed in good clothes, but something feels off. It's not about trends or having the latest it item. Sometimes your outfit feels like a random collection, not a statement. That's the difference between being dressed and having style. True style is about intention, making choices that create a unified message. Think of style as a visual language. Every piece is a word, and together they form a sentence. What is your outfit saying? Is it clear, confident, and purposeful? The anxiety you feel in front of the mirror is your intuition nudging you to be more intentional. This isn't about buying more. It's about using what you have with purpose. Learn the rules so you can break them with confidence. By the end of this, you won't just be getting dressed. You'll be crafting a look that's authentically you. Style is a skill, and anyone can learn it. Your clothes can be an extension of yourself, not just something you put on. Start thinking about what you want to communicate before you get dressed. Move beyond covering your body. Embrace the art of intentional dressing. You're not just wearing clothes, you're telling your story. Let's make sure it's one worth hearing. How do you build an intentional look? Start with restraint. The most stylish people master 4 pillars: shape, texture, color, and function. When these elements align, your outfit works. When they clash, it falls flat. Don't focus on just color or trends. Think about all 4 pillars as a team. Ask, what message do I want to send today? Choose pieces that support that message. This is your blueprint for dressing, shopping, and curating your closet. Move from being a consumer to a curator. Make every piece count. Want to elevate your look instantly? Try monochromatic dressing with texture play. It's not about wearing all black or white, it's about layering different fabrics in the same color family. Imagine deep green, a chunky knit sweater, sleek faux leather pants, a velvet scarf, and a canvas tote, all in green. The textures create depth and sophistication, making the outfit rich and intentional. This works with any color. Just pair contrasting textures, shiny with matte, soft with structured. A silk camisole under a linen blazer, ribbed pants with a poplin shirt, denim with lace. Each texture reflects light differently, adding dimension. This approach shows confidence and restraint. You don't need loud prints. Your statement is in the details. Monochromatic texture is a quiet power move. See your closet through the lens of texture, and your style will transform. Here's a secret. Shape matters more than color. The right silhouette makes any color look good, but the wrong shape can ruin even the best shade. Start with your outline. Be the architect of your look. The modern silhouette is about structured fluidity, balanced structure with movement. Anchor your look with a tailored piece, then add something with flow. Try wide-leg silk pants with a sharp blazer, or stiff jeans with a soft sweater. This principle frees you from old body-type rules. Create balance on your terms. Identify structured and fluid pieces in your closet and start pairing them. Build your outfit around shape first, then add color. Shape is your foundation. Color is the finishing touch. Let silhouette lead your style. Fabric choice is now a statement of values, not just style. High-quality, innovative materials like tencel, pignatex, and recycled cashmere are redefining luxury. These fabrics are sustainable, feel better, and last longer. Choosing them is an investment in what you believe in. Your wardrobe becomes a reflection of your ethics, not just your taste. Pay attention to labels and learn the names of sustainable fabrics. Feel the difference between quality and fast fashion. You don't need to overhaul your closet overnight, just make better choices with each new piece. Material quality adds depth and authenticity to your style. Let your clothes speak for your values. Want a unique style? Mix vintage with modern. All new looks can feel generic. All vintage can look like a costume. Blend them for a look rich in story and personality. Use modern basics as your canvas. Jeans, tees, blazers. Add vintage as punctuation. A 60s bag, a 70s scarf, an 80s belt. Limit vintage to 1 or 2 pieces per outfit for balance. The contrast creates visual interest and makes your style personal. Vintage shopping is a treasure hunt. Focus on quality and unique details. Layer these finds into your wardrobe for a look that's impossible to copy. Fashion is shifting from loud trends to timeless, calming colors. Build your wardrobe around earth-inspired tones: stone, clay, forest, ocean, moss. These shades are soothing and versatile, acting as sophisticated neutrals. Add vibrant accents, like marigold or berry, against this grounded palette. Test colors in natural light to see what flatters you. Earthy tones are timeless, making your wardrobe last longer. Invest in quality pieces in these shades. They won't go out of style. This approach is sustainable for both the planet and your wallet. Create a wardrobe that's calm, cohesive, and enduringly chic. Rethink accessories, not as afterthoughts, but as a functional system. Each piece should serve a purpose: practical, structural, or aesthetic. Accessories are now about substance, not just sparkle. Your core items, bag, belt, shoes, watch, should share a cohesive aesthetic, not match exactly. Function is key: bags organized for your day, shoes engineered for comfort, jewelry with utility. Group accessories into systems for work, weekend, or special occasions. Eliminate random, one-off items. When shopping, ask, does this fit my system? Does it elevate what I own? Curate with intention for a powerful signature look. Accessories should pull your outfits together, not clutter them. Now for the secret sauce: styling geometry. 2 key tricks: biolace proportions and the ankle light theory, create balance and polish. Biolace means breaking up your outfit at flattering points, like the 1/3 or 2/3 mark. Tuck shirts into high-waisted pants for longer legs, or try 3/4 sleeves for elegance. The ankle light theory: show a sliver of ankle to lighten your look and add grace. Cropped pants or shoes with a low vamp make your silhouette more intentional. Even rolling your jeans to expose the ankle can transform an outfit. These rules are tools, not restrictions. Use them to become the author of your own style. True style is a living system you adapt over time. Confidence comes from knowing your look is deliberate and authentic. Your story is told in shape, texture, and color. Now, go tell it. If you love discovering new trends, crave practical style tips, and want endless inspiration for your wardrobe, you're in the right place. Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more style guides, trend updates, and fashion advice, delivered straight to you. Stay inspired and keep styling.